Hello?
You've no idea what it does to me just hearing the sound of your voice.
So don't hang up, Angela, please.
This is important. If you would just take a step back from all of this, you'd see that you and I, we're really not so very different. We're both loners, we're both isolated, we're both really untrusting. We're both looking for the same clarity. You've come to mean a great deal to me.
Yeah, well, you mean shit to me.
Look, I have to admit an arrogance in my perceptions of you. You see, I've come to visit a friend of mine, an old piano teacher friend of mine.
You leave my mother alone.
Well, it seems I have no choice. She's been moved by Dr. Champion, the late Dr. Champion.
Shit.
Driver, this is the Highway Patrol. Reduce speed, carefully pull over to the side of the highway, and turn off your engine.
You have the right to remain silent. If you give up the right to remain silent, anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and to have the attorney present for the question.
Look, I want to help you. I've been appointed to help you, but everything you're saying is just so far-fetched. They've changed your name, your friend's medical records, crashed planes because...
But just think about it. Just think about it. Our whole world is sitting there on a computer. It's in the computer. Everything. Your DMV records, your Social Security, your credit cards, your medical history, it's all right there. Everyone is stored, and there's like this little electronic shadow on each and every one of us just begging for somebody to screw with. And you know what? They've done it to me, and you know what? They're gonna do it to you.
Look, Miss Marks.
I'm not Ruth Marks, okay? They invented her. They put her on your computer with my thumbprint.
I hate to tell you this, but the California criminal justice computers, all of them, have been protected by the gatekeeper security programs for the last 6 months. So nothing that you're describing could possibly happen.
Oh my God, it's the program then. It's the gatekeeper program has a flaw. If they change my identity and it has a flaw, then the Praetorians, they know this.
Then that solves it.
Yeah, think about it.
Now, you want to tell me again how you ended up in a stolen car?
Okay, listen to me. It's like a Trojan horse, this thing. The Praetorians, they hack into computers and they cause this chaos. LAX, Wall Street. the Department of Water and Power in Atlanta. They do this so the people, they go out and they buy this program. They buy this program and they get a false sense of security, only to find out that they've unwittingly allowed the Praetorians to free and exclusive access to the system. Do you get it? Imagine what they can do with this power. They could do anything.
This is absolutely fascinating, Ms. Marks.
Please, my name is Bennett. Write it down if you want. It's Bennett, B-E-N-N-E-T-T, Bennett. I have no reason to make any of this up.
As your court-appointed attorney, I'm obligated to do what you wish. So I will call you Cleopatra, Queen of the Nile, if you want. But take some advice. If you go before the judge with this craziness, I guarantee you will be found incompetent to stand trial, and they will hold you indefinitely.
Hi, yeah, this is her daughter. Hi, Mom. It's me. How you doing? You doing okay? Yeah, how's that new nurse treating you? It's Angela, Mom. It's Angela. Mom, listen, I need you to do something for me. There's a lady here that I need for you. She's gonna get on the phone and I need for you to tell her that I'm me, okay? Because she doesn't believe me. Can you tell her that? Mom? Mom, don't, no. Are you there? I just want you to know that I love you.